What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So I'm gonna be doing a little new segment for the channel where I just buy a couple things from Wish and I just do their ability or test and all that type of stuff for the IS, kind of like a budget build type of thing, because I saw it by someone, I can't remember his name, I think it was Rob Freddy, but his YouTube channel down here somewhere. But I saw he did it and I was like, damn, I do buy a couple things from Wish for the IS. So I was like, why not? Let's make a little new segment for the channel. And yeah. So guys, I already ordered a couple things. I think it was the 18th of July that I ordered it. I ordered a rear view camera, backing up camera, and I ordered a diffuser for the IS. It's regular, the 4-pin fin ones. And let's just say the hardware just slid down. The diffuser came in. Now, yes, this is a very small packaging, but let's check it out. So guys, let's get to unwrapping the package. Alright, cool. So we got the package right here from Wish. Let's get to it. Let's pop this puppy open. If I could cut through this packaging. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that's actually reasonable size. That's actually a reasonable like length. So y'all can see it's gonna be like that. Middle will be like that, and bam. So yeah, like I said, it's like a 4 fin one. I kind of like it, honestly. Where'd the hardware go? I know. I found it. The hardware. So guys, let me put it together and I'll get back to you guys.
2 days later.
Alright guys, what is going on? It's been like 2 or 3 days since the last clip you guys saw. I did get the diffuser all together, which I'll show you guys now. Oh, here's the diffuser. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right through. These are really long though. I really want to cut them down. But yeah, and then the back it just attaches like that. But yeah, it's on there. So we're gonna install it on the IS. Now, I did check this out myself and I did it without filming it. But on the IS, you're gonna need some brackets. I have some custom ones, so as you see right there, there's one right there. It's a short one. I have a longer one, but the longer one, you're gonna have to. I have to drill into where the heat shield is on this side next to the gas tank, and then yeah, it's an L bracket, and then it's gonna get onto the diffuser. So guys, I'm gonna drill the holes that I gotta drill right now, and I'll get back to you guys. But I want to pay attention to what I'm doing, and so I don't like make it sideways or anything, you know what I mean? So guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with you. I'm dirty, super, like, I really need to clean the underneath of my car. But yeah, let me get and show you. I really don't want to be touching my camera like this, but whatever. Right next to the exhaust, as you see right there, there is. I already drilled the holes on the diffuser. As you guys can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are gonna go on the bumper. Right now I'm gonna mock up the holes for the back for those brackets. Ladies and gentlemen, I know I look dirty and everything, but we finally got the diffuser on the IS. It was a bit of a mission. Remember, it's a Wish one, so it is a lot of modifications that that's got to be done to it. But yeah, as you see, diffuser's on there. It doesn't look that bad, honestly. Let me see if I can close the trunk. Yeah, you guys probably can't see anything. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad though. I like it. But yeah, it looks legit. I am gonna cut, because you guys see some of the bolts from the middle, like the hardware. In the middle, it's super long. Like right there, those two there, they're super long, so I am gonna cut them down because that looks hideous. And I'm gonna paint like a touch-up paint on the like gold, the polished bolts. I'm gonna touch them up in black so it's less noticeable. But yeah, guys, there you go. Now the IS is dirty. But yep, that's the diffuser. There you guys go. That's how to install a Wish diffuser on a 2003, well 2001 to 2005 Lexus IS300, aka the Altezza and all that. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I need a shower because I gotta go to work in a little bit. And yeah, that's part 1 of all the Wish stuff that I'm gonna be doing to the car. Like I said, I already did a couple things. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Until next time, peace out.